All right, here we go. This is Jack Bauer from the Jack Bauer Studios. Free S for me here. It's time for the Jack Bauer Show for you guys. I am here on air. What are we doing today? I'm going to be bringing you some interesting information, okay? This is going to be with regards to like a lot of what's in my inbox, a lot of what's going on. With regards to, for example, like Exodus. There's no malicious code. Stop the ISP blocking. So what does that mean? Stop the malicious code. Maybe some of you have heard. Maybe some of you have been around. Maybe some of you have seen like what's going on. All right. So with regards to that, the popular Kodi add-on Exodus turned users into a DDoS botnet. So what does that mean? It happened here in February. Okay, I've been on top of this long before this. A lot of people sent me some hate messages because I said, hey, you better hurry up and get this settings update. Get my settings update for the 4K version 2. I put this out, I updated it because this. Here we go. Exodus is one of the most used Kodi add-ons out there, allowing users to obtain easy access to pirated movies and TV shows. However, over the past week, the same users were unwillingly part of the attack, okay, the DDoS attack. After the issue raised eyebrows in the community, the Exodus developer rolled back the malicious code this time and then retired. So that was a good deal. We were protected for everybody that had that particular settings, updated it. I'm going to show you some of that walkthrough there. But one of the most popular Kodi add-ons, Exodus. The software is maintained by La Bamba Dude, who is one of the most. But don't worry, this is going to be continued on. This just goes on and on and on. But, you know, basically, some people who use this copyrighted work are threatened to expose his real identity. But indeed of backing down, he launched an attack, okay, due to controversial nature of his work. All right, so that it goes on and on and on, you know, with regards to that and attacks, malicious code. It's something I did not want any of you guys to have. So once again, I brought you, if you remember, all right, there it is. It's in my video channel. I put the download in there. Maybe some of you remember this is what it was. Okay, we went through there. And as you see this,
I like turtles.
Okay,
right,
first thing,
I walk you through it. This will be part of the video
you
for
don't
you,
have any
okay?
streams, your Exodus isn't working.
See this?
There's a couple of
clear
reasons.
catch, clear providers. I walk you through codes, okay? I won't put you through the whole video again, but it's in there. I'll skip ahead.
Sure? Yes, we're going to start over. Yes.
And then we did with regards to moving some of the sections around in here, okay?
No higher.
And also the providers. So I just want you to be aware of that. Okay, we did that nonsense. Okay, it's going to be in the video for you. So by all means, go back to that. Go back to that. I'll leave you the link for this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool because maybe you have a box like this. You know, the TV box MXQ. A lot of people have been asking me to review this one, so maybe that's coming up. Or maybe you have this one, the Amazon. Okay. I mean, it doesn't matter which one you have. It doesn't matter what you have. It was all affected by a few different articles here that's going on. And I want to just quickly walk you through not only this, which is the popular Kodi add-on Exodus and the malicious code that we had fixed. I'm also going to bring you the ISP throttling, okay? The ISP throttling. So you see this? Let's open this up here. Your internet service provider may soon block Kodi piracy. I've been talking about this since last October, just as you see the article here. Pretty much, this is really going to affect a lot of us folks here in the U.S. because a lot of us already have different kind of internets and things like that are already like hiding the IP. But the system is actually called now Cisco. I've been watching this. It's in development, and basically all it's going to do is it's a system that's used to block piracy streams. You know, like those torrents, downloading torrents, stuff like that. It's already going on in the UK. It's already going on in the UK. Most of them already experience a lot of problems. They can't get streams. It's being blocked. It's been tested there, just like Canada, UK, Europe, so on, so on, so on. Okay? You can read more about this article if you ever want to Google it, but it just talks about how the Cisco system is out there working to try and go after that. But there is, of course, answers. There's lots of answers that we have here. So pay attention to this video. I'm going to walk you through it real quick because you see here, I walked you through earlier in another video that I did. It would be more in depth, I guess you could say, where I show you like the IPNs, okay? IPNs all the way across. You can decide which one you want. What an IPN is basically is just to basically scramble hide your identity, hide your internet service, and it's just not for Kodi. This is definitely just not for Kodi. This is for everybody who's using like HBO Go, traveling, Netflix, having issues with throttling of your Netflix, like right here. You're trying to watch Netflix, okay? When I travel, if you're not using a VPN or anything like that to protect your privacy, you can be hacked. You can be blocked, you know, from even watching Netflix, okay? So I'm showing you that's how the Netflix thing works. Just like HBO Go and so on, right? All right, so we want to make sure, again, that there's no malicious code in our Exodus, no malicious code, and to stop ISP blocking. That's why I just wanted to show you that particular PC Magazine one that we did. Oops, I wanted to show you the PC Magazine one that we did because, you know, it's like, here's an internet user provider that's pretty big in the United States. It's either called Comcast, Time Warner, Xfinity. And this affects just people like who use Netflix too much will get charged extra. That's how much they're tracking it. That's, again, why I will tell you to walk back, you know, through. Take a look at the VPNs just for that purpose alone, okay? I want you to scramble your stuff. Just an idea. My recommendation, you do what you want to do. Just do what you want to do. But for me personally, I don't want any internet provider. I don't want anybody charging me more. I don't want my privacy being taken advantage of. Okay? So that's just like another deal there. And with regards to here, with regards to award-winning services, and then the best Kodi VPN February 2017 guide for your VPN channels on Kodi. Here's how to watch channels on Kodi with the VPN. Okay, this is a very important section for you Kodi people. And open a VPN. People ask me this all the time. How do we do this? How do we do this? And here's the instructions. Okay, here's the instructions. I'm going to leave it right here in the video. It will walk you through it step by step by starting Kodi, System File Manager, Add Source, None, Fusion. Here are the step by step. You see this? I don't need to go through it with you if you just follow the bullet points. Follow the bullet points. I'm leaving it right here in the video. You can pause it. And then it will, you know, you go through here, finalize the installation by configuring now your VPN, all right? Configure it after you've read the steps, and it says exactly how to do it. Click on the VPN, click on launch, set up the VPN, select from a list of providers, okay? And you can walk right through it, and you can decide for yourself which VPN that you want to use, whether you're using Kodi, Channel 7, whatever, HBO, ESPN, stuff like that, with regards to depending upon like where you live in the country, your Netflix, and so on and so on. But that's pretty much it with regards to that. And it walks you through it. It's a very good guide here as to how to watch channels on Kodi with a VPN. Okay, so that's pretty good. As you see it right up there. Here's the web address right up there that I'm pointing to. Okay, right there. Okay, vpnranks.com/Kodi. Got it? All right, there you go. Okay, so you got that particular deal there. You saw that. And I want to show you something here real quick with regards to the Comcast users, throttling of internet, things like that. You know, charges going up, what they're trying to do. I want to show you that, let's see if I got it in here somewhere, that Netflix. Alright, see, Netflix has launched this handy speed test so that you can go and shame your internet provider. What I want you to do is take a look at this. Netflix has noticed that all your internet providers, whatever country you're living in, are messing around with your internet speed, throttling it, your service provider. And then you simply go to fast.com, okay? And you can compare it to speedtest.net. But here it is, fast. So what does that mean? Okay, so for somebody who is getting like internet speed of, I'm going to show you here, NetBite powered by Netflix. Alright, I did a test on mine, and I'm supposed to get about 25 to 30 megabytes per second, so I tagged this up, and I was just running this thing just to see, you know, exactly how it should work. And what I did is, you know, here it is, it's powered by Netflix, so use this tool, and I'm testing this against my own as to how my internet provider is doing. So that's not bad for Wi-Fi, okay? That's not bad. But I want you to go to fast.com, start testing it for your Kodi, start testing it for your Netflix. All you got to do is click on this, and then you can see your speed because you know what you're getting. I was getting, with the throttling of my internet provider, like about 7. So how do you fix that? What did I do? What did I do in my particular box right here? Here's what I did. I went to my router, okay? I unplugged it for a minute, and then I plugged it back in. I saw that trick, that you should do that at least once a day, and I found it out to be actually true. Because if not, it will reset it, and if you don't, and you forget about it, your cable providers, just like I'm showing you right here, how they're just throttling you, just like right here. Here's just an example, and how they are Comcast and the Netflix and what they're doing with throttling and nonsense. I don't like that too much, so I decided to unplug my router for a minute. I followed that trick that I saw over there, and that's how I was able to get my Netflix back up. Okay, so that was pretty cool. That was a pretty good deal. And I definitely don't want any of you guys here, my last final comments, to have any problems with your Kodi add-ons. I don't want you to have any problems with, you know, the botnets things that's going on, because this time it was caught. But potentially here in the future, if you don't protect yourself, do some settings here. I left it. I'm going to leave you the video. You'll see the version 2. Version 1 works pretty good. I have out there, but version 2, all right, just want you to make sure that you don't have any malicious code, okay? Just don't have any malicious code. I want you to protect your boxes that you have here. You might have something cool like this. I don't know. But whatever you might have, I mean, I want you to actually, you know, protect it. So, if you are interested in more future updates like we're doing right now for all my Jack Bauer subscribers, and you want the settings fixed like I did for several other programs, follow this channel. Look for the fixes yourself, please. And I hope it does definitely help you out. That's all, you know, we're trying to do here, is just help each other. So I hope that was something good. I hope this is ready to rumble for you. All right, guys, that's just my tip of the day.